Let's talk about the crypto coin screener, which is currently in beta. So please leave your comments, questions, and remarks below. We will listen to them closely and carefully. First of all, the crypto coin screener is different from the crypto pair screener because the crypto coin screener is just looking at a cryptocurrency and that's it. No pairs, not BTCUSD, not BTC futures, not BTCETH, just the cryptocurrency right here in an easy to see screener with really important facts and stats that take you into the fundamentals of that cryptocurrency, which we're going to walk you through in 1 second. But first, we do want to head over to our crypto pair screener so that you can see and feel the difference. So the crypto pair screener is every pair essentially on the planet in one screener. There are over 41,000 tickers in the crypto pair screener. You're going to want to use the filters button to make some really important filter adjustments, such as probably looking at large projects, over $300 million market cap maybe here. Why don't we look for some volume, over 100,000. Let's exit out. Let's sort by market cap. And now you can see all of the pairs here right in front of us. And the pairs are also listed on different exchanges, so you're going to have duplicates based on the exchange. And the crypto pair screener will show you everything and anything. You can look for arbitrage between different pairs. You can look for specific stats or facts that you as a trader or investor want to see using the crypto pair screener. But if you're looking to do the deep dive that we were just showing you, if you're trying to just see a specific cryptocurrency where it ranks, what its fundamentals are, the valuation, the addresses, transactions, gains and losses, sentiment, well, the crypto coins screener is going to be the place for you, which is also a reminder you can actually use both to really supercharge your research. If you are a technical trader or someone looking for a specific cryptocurrency to trade based on your criteria, you could use crypto pairs and make a very specific screen. Once you've found the cryptocurrency you're interested in, you could come to crypto coins and see how it compares next to all the other coins out there. Not as pairs, just as a coin. Everything included right here, one cryptocurrency. How does it rank compared to everything else? And the rank, by the way, is sorted by market cap. So you can see what the largest cryptocurrencies are. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tether. Right now, just scrolling down, you can get a feel for what the largest cryptocurrencies are. You can also scroll to the right or to the left, and you may notice some new columns like category, which is going to be something that is insightful to your research so you can see what a specific cryptocurrency does and what the differences are between different cryptocurrencies. Not all cryptocurrencies are the same. They offer different solutions and use cases, and you can get a feel for that by reading the category tab. Now on the left, you're going to see some custom scans, and these scans are for you. They're pre-made, and they are ready to go if you wanted to look at just DeFi coins. So only cryptocurrencies that are involved in DeFi, you can just click this button. Now we have 120 matches, and all of these cryptocurrencies are involved in decentralized finance in one way or another. Highest adoption. So what coins are used the most? We can click highest adoption, quickly sorts. We have 66 matches. Let's go back up to the top though and click all coins. And you'll also notice that our filters up here are also changing as we click through these preset lists, but we want to draw your attention to the tabs at the top here because this is where you will start to see the fundamental power of the coin screener. We're going to click valuation, and you guessed it, valuation is going to give us some insight into the actual valuation of a specific cryptocurrency. For example, its market cap, fully diluted market cap, circulate total supply, volume divided by market cap, NVT, which is particularly important if you are researching a cryptocurrency, and that's network value to transactions ratio, and velocity as well. So you have all of these right here for you to compare, contrast, and view among 748 different cryptocurrencies. Let's click addresses. This is where the data starts to get incredibly unique. You can see total addresses created for each cryptocurrency. So how heavily used are these cryptocurrencies? Sure, they might be ranked really high, but are there actually a lot of addresses? Well, you can start to see that now in this addresses tab. In addition, you can go a little deeper. Addresses with a balance, addresses with zero balance, daily active addresses, new funded addresses, active addresses ratio, and average balance in USD. Well, the thing here is most assets generally have a fundamental story to them. Are they profitable? Are they being used? Are they real products? Do people value them? Do people trust them? And to get insight into all of those questions, you have to start to do some fundamental research, and that's where some of these tabs can become incredibly important. As we mentioned, addresses is going to tell you how many addresses are associated with each cryptocurrency, including the addresses that have a balance or no balance, or that are actually active or not active. We can even keep going deeper to transactions. How many transactions are happening with that cryptocurrency? How large are those transactions? What's the average transaction? And then, of course, you can go to gains and losses. What percentage of addresses are actually profitable? What percentage of addresses are not profitable? What percentage of addresses are break even? This, of course, is how you know if people are holding, if they're long, if they're underwater, if they're actually doing really well and maybe buying more. This is where the fundamental nature of a cryptocurrency becomes really important. Yes, the chart is absolutely going to help you plan and research and look for setups that fit your taste, your strategy, your unique style, but you can always come do some fundamental research to really confirm whether that's something you want to do or not. So there's a sentiment tab. So you can actually now see things like what's positive sentiment on Twitter for Bitcoin, negative sentiment on Twitter for Bitcoin. You have Telegram, positive and negative. If a specific channel has an official Telegram channel, you can see its total members. There are even GitHub commits, which is going to be a really important number to see if the developer community is really committed to a cryptocurrency and actually using GitHub and making commits to that project. Thus, it is being watched, cared for, and actively developed. So these tabs are going to be quite useful to you as you get started in the Crypto Coins screener. Now, we don't want to go on for too long. We've shown you the basics here, which is really important. We do just want to remind you that you can add filters as well of your choice to narrow down this list however you need. As an example, maybe you do just want to see cryptocurrencies that have a $100 million to $1 billion market cap. Well, all we had to do was click this, select a popular range, and now the coin screener has instantly given us 213 matches that fit that criteria. And you're probably already seeing now where this can go. You can do things like volume in USD. And we'll make an update there. Now we've narrowed it down to 135 matches. And of course, now we could say performance over the last year is above. And why don't we do 5%? Because it was a huge bear market. Was anything up 5% in the last year? There are only 19 matches. So now we have the coins screener giving us a list of coins with a market cap of 100 million to 1 billion, volume of 24 hours over 10 million, and over the last year up at least 5%. We have 19 matches. Personally, we have, as just the creator of this video, have not heard of any of these names. Oh, that's not true. Some of these actually do stand out, but we can now dive in a little bit more to understand which cryptocurrency is worth maybe investigating a little deeper. Do they have active addresses? Are there active transactions? What's the gain and losses of these cryptocurrencies? What's sentiment like? And the best part is we can then head to the chart and perhaps start to do some research into what a good trade or investment might look like. Do we want to plan out some dollar cost averaging plays over the future? Are we looking for a specific dip to buy? Is there a take profit and stop loss we want to set? We've now found our 19 matches, and that's where the research really begins. And if we wanted to find more, we could now go back to the pair screener and try to look at that specific cryptocurrency and all the different pairs and exchanges that it trades on. So you can use these two screeners side by side, almost as a dual weapon of sorts, to really amplify your research and find all sorts of data points and key stats and facts that you need for your trading or investing strategy. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please leave any questions or comments below. Go ahead and get started on the crypto coin screener as soon as you can, and let us know what you think. It is in beta. There are new updates coming, and they will be here throughout 2023. Just keep your eyes on this, and we'll be reading your comments below. Thank you for watching.